Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer workflow approvals to Microsoft Teams with Power Automate, complete guide step by step clearly.
To begin, open your Microsoft Teams application.
Make sure you have the appropriate permissions to create flows in Power Automate.
Next, navigate to the Power Automate website. Log in using your Microsoft account associated with your Teams environment.
Once logged in, select the Create option from the left-hand menu.
Choose Automated Cloud Flow from the available options.
In the prompt that appears, provide a meaningful name for your flow.
For the trigger, type when a new response is submitted and select it. Connect your Microsoft Forms account if prompted.
Select the specific form that contains the workflow approvals. Now, add a new step by clicking the plus new step button. Search for Post a Message in the Action search bar. Choose Post a Message in a chat or channel from the list. Configure the required fields, selecting the appropriate team and channel.
In the Message field, include dynamic content to display the approval details.
To add another step for approvals, click plus new step again. Search for Start and wait for an approval. Select the approval type that suits your workflow needs.
Fill in the necessary fields including title, assigned to, and details. After setting up your approval, click the plus new step button once more. Search for condition to set a decision-based action.
In the condition fields, specify how to handle approved and rejected responses. For approved responses, add actions such as updating records or notifying stakeholders. For rejected responses, consider sending a different message or alerting additional parties. Once all steps are configured, review the flow for any potential errors or omissions. After verifying, click the Save button to store your flow. To test your flow, submit a new response in the designated Microsoft form. Monitor the flow in Power Automate for successful execution. Finally, navigate back to Microsoft Teams to confirm that the notifications appear as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.